How to turn off Spotify notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off Spotify notifications. Now the process itself is quite simple. You want to first open up Spotify, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface somewhat like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can see profile icon, and you want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, here you'll get various options. You want to scroll down until you find the option notifications. You'll find at the very bottom. Here you can see notifications from the bottom, just above about the bottom options. So here notification, you can see there option that says notifications. Choose which notifications to receive. You want to tap on it, and here you'll find the notification option for every single option. You can see music and artist recommendations, you can see podcast and so recommendations and such. All you have to do is you have to tap on it, and here you'll get the option to enable or disable the notifications, either push or email. All you have to do is toggle it on. If you have toggled it on, it means it is on, so all you have to do to turn it off is toggle it off. So this way you can turn off Spotify notifications from within the app. However, if you want to turn off the notifications for the application itself, what you want to do is you want to head into the app icon there, the Spotify app icon. You want to head into there, and what you want to do is you want to tap and hold on the app icon, and you'll get the eye icon there, eye option. You can see, tap on it and head into app info page. Under app info, here you can see the notifications option very first. Now in my case it's blocked, but if you have enabled it, all you have to do is toggle this off. So this way you can turn off Spotify notification. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.